Hi, good day. Today I would like to share with you about this traffic blaster. So, traffic blaster is a brand new business model whereby if you join this program, you're going to get a daily's targeted traffic. You can promote any of the affiliates product, right? And on top of that, you're also able to build your online business, right? You can build and instead of just enjoy a daily traffic, right? You are also able to build your business from this traffic blaster, right? So, traffic blaster is 100% run from your traffic service, right? So it's also a business in the box, right? So you get leads, you're going able to get high quality traffic plus there's a business model where you can earn 50 percent commission monthly, right? So there are a lot of useful tools and training to help you with your journey, right? Okay, so you can watch this demo video for more details. So basically what it do is in this traffic program, right? There are only 3 steps you need to follow. We can get your traffic and build a business in 30 minutes and in simple 3 steps. So first, you can submit your link to this traffic, right? Okay, so you can start promoting your offer in less than 10 minutes and can get your sales funnel, right? So there is a sales funnel builder inside the program whereby you can build your sales funnel, right? Okay, you follow a simple step to get the lump from you. Sales funnel, you can promote your business, right? So you can promote your different business, you can find different resources and tools to help you find a path to build the serious income empire. So these are the 3 steps are going to get you a lot of benefit if you join this program, right? And the cost to join the program is so just on this $10 per month, right? And you are going to get a recurring income if you join this program, right? So there's a benefit you're going to get, and why you should join this traffic blaster. You're going to get unlimited traffic to promote any affiliate offer. You can access to business tool and resources and other traffic method training. And you can start with as low as $1 for 7-day trade, and subsequently you just need to pay less than $10 per month, right? You can build your online business file with a low starting cost and enjoy recurring income, right? So I will highly recommend this to any newbie who's struggling to make your first paycheck online. And if instead of you keep buying different shiny object, why don't you just join a affiliate program? You can even get started as low as $1, right? And subsequently, just for you need to pay for $10 per month, and subsequently, in the same time, you are able to build your online business by leveraging on this system, right? Okay, so with this traffic booster, I'm actually bundle a lot of bonuses, right? So in this, if you sign up this traffic booster via the link inside my review page, you are able to get all my bonuses. Below the first bonus you're going to get is I have the list one of this is one of the Make Money Online Mastery Training portal. There are 6 portal here, right? Yeah, so yeah, you're going to get the access to 200 professional crafted video to learn everything about Make Money Online. I also these tools other as a SEO tool. You can use it to optimize your blog or SEO. There's a YouTube channel SEO, and also I have also have this tool bonuses about affiliate marketing. So this is a award-winning marketing training how to make 10,000 online per month. And this is our best affiliate software that you can resell and give 100% on the profit. And this is also our you can build your funnel using the 250K funnel, right? Again, I have others bonuses that come around affiliate sales engine, and this is business turnkey, web design, SEO agency, video agency, right? And also this is eCom store builder here, right? And this VidBuilder is a WP page builder plugin to create video sales page, right? Again, I have get ready you to locate your content into the wallet topic. This is a social media wallet content builder for WordPress. And this is a video hub. This is a video subscription membership platform, right? Start your own video subscription platform. And you can charge customer monthly decoding fee. So by this video hub, You can build your video subscription membership platform using the Video Hub, and again, this is going to get you another recurring income on a monthly basis. And this all we have the YouTube video to WordPress plugin, right? And this you can get this free stock image in any niche, right? And 3,000 email motivation code for your social posting content. And this is 4,000 HD stock video in a niche for motivation, fitness, yoga, and cooking. And this video give a 250 high quality video exclusive produced by our in-house team. So you can have all this high quality video to build your YouTube channel, right? And you can upload this video to your YouTube channel and start building your YouTube channel in certain niches and start getting more feed traffic from the YouTube. Also, this audio wizard, this is come with a reseller that you can create your own audio track by using this audio wizard. And also this is a trick how to double triple your website traffic. This is a YouTube hack to how to run your YouTube video using certain trick I have been doing. And this is 15 feed traffic, so you can use it to get feed traffic and also promote any affiliate. Email search is an email SaaS app to increase your email create or open rate. And I have this others also social traffic giant in 3 simple click. So this is all the app software and plugin you can use to get feed traffic from this our social media. And this is a top size pay underground traffic software for your website. And never seen before method strategy to make you online without you selling anything. High ticket system and 100 giveaway to build your list. And I have also 10 high quality software bundle with the white label. White label means to say you can white label as your own product. And here is a exclusive bonus bundle or active top product of famous marketer John Armstrong. So you can preview this inside this 200 bonus giveaway special bundle here. What is the inside here, right? And this is a vendor. We also give you away an awesome bonus here, right? So here are some of the awesome bonus back from the vendor. So all the bonuses, all my bonuses here, you can actually download from this Water Plus member after your purchase, right? Alright. So everything you're going to get from me, there's over 300 bonus item. This bonus item altogether, they will value more than 10,000. All these bonuses, right? So this is by joining the traffic blaster, you're going to have the opportunity to get unlimited traffic. Plus, you also have the business in the box to actually start building on that business from day one. So here is what you're going to get here. So this is a sales page here, one page sales page, very simple. Everything is well explained here, right? You just need to you can come to this sales page after you click on any of the yellow button here. It will bring you to the sales page here and just sign up, join the traffic blaster monthly, right? Okay, so you can join for a monthly or for 6 months, right? There are two different packages here, right? So whichever package you join, you're going to get unlimited traffic and you can start building your online business from day one, right? So let's quickly go into the member area. So once you join the traffic blaster, this is a member area. You're going to see welcome, right? There's a welcome video, right? And also you can join the Facebook group, also the mastermind group for the Facebook. Then there's a step 1, step 2, step 3. So just follow the step. So step 1 is you will be joining the Hit Connect. Hit Connect basically is something like Click Magic. You can join Hit Connect as a free. So Hit Connect, they will allow you to create 10 free campaigns, and you can again take this 10 campaign under the My Rotator, right? So there's a tutorial video here. You can learn how to use Hit Connect. So basically what you can do is you can create 10 campaign for 10 different affiliates. So and you can put this 10 campaign into the rotator. The rotator will actually blast so it can. So after you have set up the Hit Connect, you can actually give the link back to this, submit the link here right? So the traffic blaster rotator, we actually to get you a daily traffic to your 10 different affiliate campaigns, right? Because you are giving them the rotator link here, right? So this can submit additional link if you purchase the OTO, right? Okay, right? So this is the first step you're going to follow, submit your link so you can get unlimited daily traffic. So the second step is to get your DIY funnel. They have a DIY funnel, so what you need to do is just to get your traffic blaster here, so you can join it as a big cluster. So after you sign up, you are actually entitled to promote the traffic blaster and join their business program, right? So that's why you can build your recurring income. You can build your on business by joining them, their affiliate link, right? So this is how it works. So you can get your done for you funnel here, right? So this is a second step. So there's a video here on the second step, right? So you will not get lost. You just watch a video and just start joining the affiliate link and also get your plan from your funnel. So the third step is to build your business. So build your business is there are many ways to build your business here. So one of the way you can actually tap onto their solo app. Oh, okay, the TB solo app, right? They actually give the members discounted price for their solo app, right? Okay, so you can visit for traffic for me. All this is solo app, so you can use the solo app to promote this traffic blaster also, right? Okay, or you can promote other affiliate also as well, right? So that's how you build a business. So this whole business model here, three simple steps to follow. So just follow these three simple steps and on your way to get a free traffic, right? And also build your business for day one. So the other 5 action bonus here, bonus 1, bonus 2, traffic, all these 7 bonuses as promises here, right? In the sales page, you're going to get also, right? As part of the sign up, right? And you are going to also have some other traffic method training, right? Things like Instagram domination formula, and subsequently they're going to have more others training courses here about traffic, and you can also have access to others resources here, right? You can get a free solo app here and also other traffic source here, right? This is a paid traffic, solo app traffic, right? So this is everything you're going to get continuously, right? So as a member of the traffic blaster, right? So jump on it right now. Have these bonuses for you, right? There are 300 bonus items. They cost more than 10,000. All these bonuses is for you if you sign up today via the link inside my review page. Just click on the yellow button. It will bring you to this traffic blaster sales page, and just click on any of this red button or green button, and you are just join this program and step with this program. I'm sure you're going to make a lot of affiliate sales because you're going to get unlimited daily traffic, and also you are also able to build your business, right? Because once someone join as the member under your affiliate link, you are also on your way to actually to start building your business from the day one, right? So take a look again, yeah, and jump on it right now and tap onto the bonuses I have for you, right? Okay, so that's it for today's demo about this traffic blaster, right? And any question, just feel free to drop me an email or just find me out, hit me, connect with me on the Facebook, right? Okay, right. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye.